Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome all my old and new subscribers. Hello guys. Happy Wednesday, everybody. So I know I said I wasn't gonna make a video today for a while, but I decided to come on here because I'm getting close to 600 subscribers and I wanted to come on. I think I have one left. I wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who has, subscribed and commented and shared and liked my videos. I'm not going to do a reborn video today, but I thought it'd be fun to do a bit of a different kind of video. I'm still going to do reborn videos, but I do want to get into making game videos again, gaming videos as well. I'm excited and sad at the same time. So my best friend, you guys know I gave her a DS, a Nintendo 2DS, and I still have my other one, but my friend is going to give me back the one that I gave her because she cannot play them anymore, unfortunately. She has a really bad carpal tunnel syndrome, and if anybody doesn't know what that is, it is where you can't hold stuff, certain things. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's where your hands really hurt and she can't hold the DS anymore and she can't play it anymore, so I feel really bad about that. But she did say I can have the stuff back, so she's gonna give me my 2DS back and two games with it that I gave her, Pokemon Sun and Ultra Sun, and then my new Leaf as well. So I'm excited about that. I'm supposed to be getting it today, so I am thinking of doing another video of me showing you the save files, but I'm just going to grab something really quick. Now this is my very old and very original my Nintendo DS Lite, and this is like as old as I am, I believe. I don't know if you can tell, but it is very yellowish on here and on the sides a lot. So I'm thinking of doing a video of cleaning this up a bit. I got Q-tips and I'm going to use some soap. And if that doesn't work, then I'm going to grab I'm going to use like paper towel or something. And then I'm going to grab, if this does not work, I'll grab my rubbing alcohol and dry it off really good. I'm not going to like take out the back or anything because I don't want to accidentally, ruin it, because this was a very old birthday present from my sister. So that is why I've never gotten rid of it. So I'm going to use Q-tips. One end is going to have soap on it and the other is going to have water on it. So we're going to give this a go and hopefully it'll work. And so, yeah. So I hope you guys are all having a great day so far. So this is gonna be, just gonna rub it in a little bit, and then I'm just gonna try the sides first just to see if it'll take anything out. I think rubbing alcohol would be a lot better, but we can try it. I mean, I've had this for like 30 years over. So, using a Q-tip is a very good way to get into like the very hard creases, like the corners. And I've been watching people doing cleaning videos like this. But some people use also, I've seen some people use, what else? What is it? Magic eraser. I don't think the yellow is going to come off like this, so we might have to get the magic eraser. So yeah, because this still works like it was brand new, and I'm still going to keep it and use it forever until it doesn't work. But I'll show you the inside. I have stickers on it. I got my Pokemon stickers on it. So yeah, I think I had a third one on it and then I took it out, but I won't take out the stickers because they're really old stickers. So yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. I should have done this a long time ago. But yeah, I might have to get my rubbing alcohol, so. But yeah, it's really bad in the front here. So. It is getting some of it, but not all of it. I should have done this a long time ago, guys. And if you guys didn't know, which I'm sure some of you might know this, but the Nintendo DS Lite is really cool. I do have the case to this part, like the lid to this somewhere, but it plays Game Boy Advance games, so that was very cool, a very cool feature. Although when I was younger, I did not play the 2DS feature. I mean, the Game Boy Advance feature very much. Really hard to get in this. It's really hard to get in this part. But I'm trying. I think it's because it's actually underneath the thing. I feel like it's underneath the actual console. So that might be why I can't get in there, but I got a little tiny bit off, so we can work on that. And I think it's actually in there. I don't know for sure, but I'm going to get my rubbing alcohol and try and do that. Fix it later. Get it all sparkly, but it did take off a little bit on the front. It looks a little bit better. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. Really kind of I'm trying not to be too hard on this. I'm trying to get as much as I can off of it, but But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please comment and subscribe. And thanks again for 599 subscribers. We are one away. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later on my next video. And I will be doing reborn videos again soon. Don't worry. I will be making videos again. I'm just going to maybe take another break for a while. But yeah, so bye guys. Have a great Wednesday. And stay warm and take it easy. Bye.